Well, hi students. It's so nice to see you. My name is Michelle Forche. I've been at Cabrini for 14 years and I'm the head of the English department. And in the English department, we love to tell a good story. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about ours. The English department offers a wide range of courses, including our standard courses of English 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we also offer honors courses, English 1 honors, English 2 honors, English AP language and composition, English 4 AP literature and composition, and English 5 and 5 honors. We also have a wide range of electives, including Greek mythology, Southern literature, creative writing, and film studies for all of our students who want to take their English learning even further. Our students love to study literature and analyze and read and engage in creative projects as well. So by the time they leave here, they think and write critically, and they love to be lifelong learners. I am so excited to meet you guys. I can't wait to meet you, and I can't wait to see where your story takes you.